Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: sun protection. With summer in full swing, it's crucial to keep ourselves safe from the harmful rays of the sun. So, in this video, we'll be sharing some essential tips and tricks to help you stay protected. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the tips, let's quickly talk about why sun protection is so crucial. The sun emits ultraviolet, UV, rays, which can cause various health issues, including sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. But don't worry, with the right precautions, you can enjoy the outdoors while keeping your skin safe and healthy. Tip number 1 is an absolute must: wear sunscreen. Sunscreen acts as a shield between your skin and harmful UV rays. When choosing a sunscreen, look for a broad-spectrum formula with a high SPF, sun protection factor, of at least 30. Apply it generously to all exposed areas of your body, including your face, neck, arms, and legs. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Our second tip is to seek shade whenever possible, especially during peak sun hours, which are generally between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If you're planning outdoor activities, try to find shaded areas like under trees, umbrellas, or canopies. This will significantly reduce your exposure to the sun's harmful rays. Wear protective clothing. Choose lightweight, loose-fitting clothes that cover as much skin as possible. Long-sleeved shirts, wide-brimmed hats, and sunglasses with UV protection are your best friends when it comes to sun protection. Not only will these items keep you cool, but they will also provide an extra layer of defense against UV radiation. Our fourth tip is all about staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health, but it's especially crucial in the sun. Dehydration can worsen the effects of sun exposure, so be sure to keep a water bottle handy and sip on it regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. This will help your body stay cool and maintain its natural defense mechanisms. Last but not least, tip number 5 is to be mindful of reflective surfaces. Surfaces like sand, water, and even snow can reflect the sun's rays, increasing your exposure. So, even if you're under a shade structure, remember to apply sunscreen and take other protective measures to minimize the impact of those reflected rays. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for sun protection. Remember, protecting your skin from the sun should be a year-round practice, not just during the summer months. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the great outdoors while keeping your skin safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a future video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and sun protected.